guys, it's playtime. Today we have the Ninoko Sleep With Me playset. This playset is for kids 2 years old and above from Famosa. Let's open it up. Here's our baby doll. Oh, she looks so adorable. And she has a very beautiful blue eyes. Her pacifier. Let's start with this. Here we have a bottle holder. Before we put the baby to sleep, let's install batteries here in the start. We need 2 AAA. It's all finished. It's a very pretty bed. It's light pink with a bear, a star, Ninoko logo, and here's a little side rails so the baby won't fall. And this one's supposed to be attached on the bedside. Now all we need is a baby. Where's our baby? Oh, there she is. She's with her sisters. Oh, that's so sweet. It's bedtime. Good job, big sister. Oh, there she is again. She's bringing a blanket for her baby sister. Oh, that's so sweet. Night night, baby sister. Sweet dreams. Let's turn off the light. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.